Hi, friends. Hi, Hedgehog. Oops! Do you need help, Hedgehog? You must be hungry. I'll make a burger for you. Patty, tomato, onion, lettuce, cheese, fried egg, sauce, bun. Bon appetit. Looks yummy. You don't like it? No worries, you don't have to eat it. We'll find something you like. Hey, we've got animals and their favorite foods. It's a dog. The dog likes a bone. This is a carrot. What animal likes carrots? Right, a rabbit! Good job, let's move on. This animal is a mouse. The mouse likes cheese. What animal is this? A bear! The bear eats raspberries. Awesome! We got something for our hedgehog. It's raspberry. Here's the first treat. A raspberry is actually a collection of tiny fruits with seeds inside. Let's decorate this tree. Nest! Pear! Beehive! Owl! Squirrel! Apple! Raccoon! Bird! Birdhouse! Butterfly! Fox! Frog! Mushroom! Wait a second. I think we need this one. Shake, shake, shake. Ta-da! Mushrooms! The best mushrooms for our hedgehog. Mushrooms come in many shapes and colors. Some even glow in the dark. Let's turn this fruit salad back into fruits. How about starting with this one? Carambola! Durian! Watermelon! Peach! Papaya! Avocado! Kiwi! Strawberry! Banana! Apple! All done. Now what? I know! Works every time. Look, it's an apple. Another gift for you, my friend. Apples can float on water because they are about 25% air. What a cool fruit puzzle. Can't wait to put it together. Let's start with a watermelon. Orange. Cherry. Next, aha! Pineapple! Grapes! Strawberry! Banana! Lychee! Pomegranate! Apple! Pear! And now I think we need some magic. Check it out. Abracadabra. Yay, it worked. We've got a pear. I bet our hedgehog is happy. Pears ripen best after being picked. Oh, look, guys, gotta do some digging. I see something. Do you know what it is, friends? Grapes, that's right. Maybe we can find something else. I see something red. Let's dig it out. I know what it is. It's a strawberry. I hope we'll find another fruit or berry. It doesn't look like a fruit or berry. Guys, I know what it is. It's broccoli. I think something is hiding here. I was right. It's right here. Look at it, guys. It's a zucchini. Do you think we can find anything else? Yes, look! These are leaves! Hedgehogs often carry leaves. Trees need leaves to create their own food. Wow! A whole truck of veggies. Broccoli! What's next? Aha, let's peel it. It's corn. I'll just finish peeling it. Ta-da! Now let's check. Gotcha! A carrot. Oh, that's cute. Let's take a look at this veggie. Do you know what it is? Right, it's a potato. This is an eggplant. We saw this one before. A mushroom! And the last one. What's this? Ah, it's a peach. It's just what we need. Let's give this peach to our hedgehog. Peaches have a fuzzy skin that protects them. That's it, guys. Great job. Our hedgehog isn't hungry anymore.